Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, you have to open your phone gallery, then pick the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, and click on Edit then. Now select camera icon, and you can either choose something from your gallery. You can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera, then you can also use some emoji or stickers. It's obviously up to you. I would pick something from my gallery. Let me choose a picture, then you can customize it however you like, click on done, and then save it. And that's it. From now on, this picture will be assigned to a particular contact, and anytime he or she will be calling you, you'll be able to notice this profile picture at first. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.